Okay, boys and girls, we're going to review the OI sound spelled O-I and O-Y. So I want you to help me spell it and then read it. Let's get started. B-O-Y, boy. Now you read the word boy. The next word, J-O-I-N, join. Repeat the word join. E-N-J-O-Y, enjoy. Now you read the word enjoy. L-O-Y-A-L, loyal. Now you read the word loyal. S-P-O-I-L, spoil. Now you read the word spoil. V-O-I-C-E, voice. Now you read the word voice. I can't hear you. Be sure you're helping me spell these words and then reading. A-N-N-O-Y, annoy. Now you read the word annoy. P-O-I-N-T, point. Point. V-O-Y-A-G-E, voyage. Now you read the word voyage. A-P-P-O-I-N-T, appoint. Now you read the word appoint. Now you're going to complete this sheet. It is the O-I, oi, spelled O-Y and O-I. These are the words that we just got through blending, and you're going to go through and sort them. If it has the oi sound spelled O-Y, you will write it beside the number 1, 2, 3, or 4. If it has the oi sound spelled O-I, you will write the word beside the number 5, 6, 7, and 8. There's not lines at the bottom for the challenge words, so you will just write them below the number 4 and below the number 8. They all have the oi sound. Again, the words are boy, join, enjoy, loyal, spoil, voice, annoy, point, voyage, and appoint. Now be sure you use your very best handwriting, and when you write the oi sound spelled O-Y, that Y needs to drop down below the basement. Be careful and do not misspell these words because they're right in front of you. I know you'll do a great job if you'll pay attention and do your personal best.